A nearly decade-old case is now finally going before a jury. Opening statements began today in the murder trial of Roheen Deeds, the man accused of ambushing and killing Eastman police officer Tim Smith back in August of 2016. Hunter King was in the courtroom today and shares the latest from the first day of trial.
It was a pretty normal night, a Saturday night in Eastman on August 13th, 2016. Two best friends were on patrol together. One of them was Officer Tim Smith, and within hours, Smith would be dead.
Time of that encounter in a matter of 8 seconds. 8 seconds. The evidence can show you that Tim Smith was mortally shot right here in the chest.
Prosecutors say a 911 call brought Smith to the intersection of Main and Smith Street, known locally as Skid Row. A witness reported a man with a gun blocking traffic. Smith was the closest officer. According to prosecutors, within 8 seconds of stepping out of his patrol car, Smith was shot. Deeds then fled. Investigators eventually found him hiding in the trunk of his sister's car as she drove towards Florida.
Therefore, he Deeds in the trunk of the car. They find him hiding right in the trunk of the car around 1-ish that Sunday morning.
But the defense told jurors the investigation was deeply flawed from the start. They say the only footage of the shooting is blurry and inconclusive, and that the wrong man is on trial.
The GBI first learned Raheem's name from another black man with dreadlocks and who was wearing a white tank top that night. And from there, the GBI had their suspect. They don't have the right suspect.
The defense attorneys pointed to the absence of gunshot residue on Deeds' clothing and said his cell phone records didn't place him at the scene. They argued he fled, not out of guilt, but fear.
But Raheem does not run because he's guilty. He runs to survive.
3 witnesses were called today, including Officer William Rose, who was one of Smith's fellow officers and close friends. He responded to the scene. His dashcam video could be a point of contention, though. The judge is deciding whether it's too prejudicial to show the jury because of the disturbing audio of the dying officer it caught in the aftermath. Reporting in Bleckley County, Hunter King, 13 WMAZ News.
Deeds is being held in the Dodge County Jail and has been there since his arrest nearly 10 years ago. The case moved to Bleckley County to find an impartial jury and ensure a fair trial. Prosecutors are pushing for the death penalty. Right now, it's not clear when the trial will wrap up.